In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. This is perfect when a single person uses more than one inbox, like a work address and a personal one, or when they change jobs, but you still want to keep a unified history on one contact. Adding those extra addresses ensures your emails log correctly and your team always knows they're talking to the same person. Start by opening HubSpot and heading to your account's home screen. From there, go to the main navigation and select Contacts. This takes you to your contact list, where you can view, search, and manage everyone in your database. If you have a large list, use the search bar to find the exact contact you want to update. It's a good practice to confirm you're opening the right record by double-checking details, like company or recent activity, to avoid creating or editing duplicates. Open the contact record. On the left side of the profile pane, look for the email field. Click directly on that email line to open the editor. You'll see the contact's current primary email address displayed. Just below it, click Add Email. This reveals the option to store additional email addresses on the same contact, so you don't have to maintain separate records for the same person. Now, type the extra address or addresses you want to associate with this contact. Enter each address carefully and make sure there are no typos, spaces, or accidental punctuation. Use valid individual inboxes rather than generic role-based addresses whenever possible for better deliverability and personalization. When you're done, save your changes. HubSpot will keep the original primary email at the top and store the others as additional emails. You can always review or adjust these later if the person's preferred inbox changes. Here are a few helpful tips as you work. HubSpot typically sends one email per contact, usually to the primary address, while matching replies and logged emails across any of the addresses on the record. That means your team's email logging, timelines, and deal associations stay clean and accurate, even if the contact writes back from a different inbox. If you run into bounces on an older address, add the new address here and continue the conversation without splitting history across multiple contacts. Keep your database tidy by auditing duplicates periodically and consolidating them, and make sure you only keep addresses you actually need. That's it. You've added multiple email addresses to a single contact, keeping your communication streamlined and your reporting accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in HubSpot.